All right, it is Wednesday the 18th, and my kids have a half day today, which means that at 12:07 I am on my way to pick them up. But it also means I get to thrift with my kids today. So let's go see what we can find. Well, first we should probably get them. That would probably be bad if I didn't. Well, got the girls. What are we doing, girls?
Thrift store.
Do you guys like going to the thrift store?
Yeah. Not really.
What? All right, we are out front of the thrift store and I'm just waiting on my girls. Come on, guys. Let's go see what we can find. Yeah. Thank you.
Yellow and green.
Nice job. That's what I like to see. All right. She's got her wings. That's good. See? Something is always broken. So this is why you got to watch this, girls. You see this? So it's only $4.49 and it probably works, but it's cracked at the bottom. And then look, when you turn it over here, look, see how his legs are broken? So, yeah, so... I know, but you know what the thing is that that is probably a $40 or $50 thing if it's not broken. So, what else we see? Girls, do you like selling mugs?
Sure.
Oh, they don't have a lot.
I'm asking Daddy. Purple.
Is that one of the colors today?
No, it's green and yellow.
It's $2.49. Notre Dame mug though. It's a good looking mug. Nice job, Abby. We're gonna go ahead and get that.
I found a thing, a mug.
Ooh, a big John Deere mug. Oops, $2.49. All right, you want to get this one too? You guys.
Yeah, but it's blue.
No, we're not getting the H.
But it's blue today.
That's okay.
It's not.
Here's a little hint, girls. When you are at the thrift store, 90% of the things that you find are not going to be the color of the day. Welcome. Here, Abba. Look at this one. Welcome to the loony bin. That's how I feel on a daily basis. I know. And you know what's cool is that look, all the mugs are really good, but look at this. It's Russ, and that's that logo is a vintage. That is a vintage logo. Ooh, SpongeBob. See, there you go. SpongeBob mug.
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants.
That's very pretty, but I don't think we're gonna get that, or we're not gonna get this too. So let's leave it here so we don't accidentally buy it.
Harper.
All right, so.
Ooh,
So girls, did we conquer the mug section? You think? Hey, you guys. Abby, we're over here missing stuff.
What?
We're over here missing stuff.
What's the closest?
I think we should go back to the plush or back in the corner, and then we can hit the that stuff. Plush, stuffed animals.
Oh.
All right. Don't run into your sister with the car. Ooh.
Where's
All
the
right.
plush? That way?
This way. But you know why I come back here to go that way? Because we can look at purses. And even though Daddy doesn't know a lot about purses, well, you find the stuff that stands out, right? So that's what Daddy likes to do, is find the stuff that stands out. And I'm like, I've never seen that before. And then that's when we buy that.
Ooh, hats are good.
Hats are good. But you know what? Again...
Dad, what about this one? It's the same thing about the mug. It's the same type of...
Oh.
Look, see? Dad, look. You could probably sell these two together.
Put them together?
Yeah.
That's a really good idea, Abby. I like it. $4.49. All right, yeah, we'll do it. Harper, that's good thinking, kiddo. I taught her so well. Taught her so well. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh, she got us.
just rip off his skin. That's like a good citizen.
Oh, excuse me. Oh, watch out, girls. Stitch.
Oh, Stitch sells really good.
He does.
Because people like a lot of Stitch. Dad,
Yeah, love.
I don't know if we should go off or not.
You know what? Being that it's just the Christmas just ended, I think Daddy's gonna steer clear of Rudolph stuff. One Direction bear. Here, what did you find? That's kind of cool. $15 though, that's a lot. Is it Disney? Alright, you know what? We're gonna go ahead and get this.
Can I hold it?
Nope. It's got a couple scratches on it, but I think it's still gonna do good. Nice job. Hey, listen, nice job on that suitcase.
Thanks. I found it even.
Oh my gosh, what happened?
Chips.
It scared you? Hey, that's a big money suitcase. Nice job.
Can I hold it?
Nope. We're just gonna leave it right there. Look what your sister found. Isn't that cool?
Are you guys getting that?
We are gonna get it.
And you're gonna sell it?
Yeah, I'm gonna sell it for like $90.
Look, Dad.
It originally sold for $24. All right, let's just run through the t-shirts real fast. That's cool. No, so what I'm looking for, Abby, when it comes to t-shirts, is stuff like this, like it's alien. All right, let's just run down here. We're gonna go in the larger sizes.
Nashville. Dad, look. Nashville.
Oh, nice. All right, I think we should go. You ready? Nice call, kiddo. Wait, what is this? That's awesome. Come on, Harper. No, it's a saloon. See, looking for shirts. Hey, what is this? What kind of shirt is this? Oh my gosh. They want way too much because she's priceless.
Daddy.
Heyo. When you thrift with kids, you never get to thrift as long as you want to, but you do get to have some fun with them. So we're gonna go check out, I think we got some really good stuff here. A lot of which was picked out by the girls because they know what their dad likes. And yeah, so it's time to go find a snack.
Thrifting today.
You did? We did have good thrifting today. All right, so we just left 2nd Avenue in Laurel with my girls. And I want to let you know that we are the smartest people alive because we forgot our bags as we always do. But we bought a suitcase. And when we bought the suitcase and we got to the front, we were like, should we buy bags? And we were like, no, we're going to put everything in the suitcase. So now, Harper, over here, love. Now we are literally wheeling everything out but one mug. One mug wouldn't fit, but that's okay. So now we are heading back. Yeah.
Guys,
Yeah.
I picked the suitcase out.
What?
I picked that suitcase out.
I know. You like it's like you knew, Harper, this way, this is the car. It's like you knew we didn't have bags. So, all right, so let's go home, figure out what we got. All right, so it is a few days later after going thrifting with my girls. And I have to tell you, I am so proud of them. They absolutely crushed it. The three things that they grabbed, the three main things that they grabbed, which we'll show you here in a second, not only paid for this trip, but it paid for this trip probably 15 times over. So yeah, so let's take a look at what we got, and we'll see how we did. So we spent around $55. First off, we have our coffee mug. So we crushed that coffee mug section. It was actually a really good day for that. So we have this Welcome to the Looney Bin mug, which is going for about $15. This Irish Notre Dame mug is going for about $30. The same thing for this John Deere mug. These two mugs aren't doing as well as I thought. We're going to get about $10 or $15 a piece for those. And then we hit up the plush section. In the plush section, we got this Stitch plush, which is going for about $22 to $25. The Stewie Griffin plush, this guy is not going for as much as I had hoped. He's going for about $15 to $20. I was actually sorely disappointed in this Isaac Mizrahi I Love Sesame Street Cookie Monster plush. He's going for about $10. After getting home and doing some research on this guy, unfortunately, One Direction is not going to help us in this. So originally this bear came with a Letterman's jacket and like a collectible book. And if you have both of those, it's selling for about $30. So we're going for about $15 to $20 on this. And hopefully a fan will want to grab it. In the video, my daughter grabbed this mask, which turns out it's from BioShock 2. And she was just kind of walking around wearing it. I thought it was cool. It was a couple bucks. Turns out this is selling for about $150. I don't know why, but that's what it's selling for. We also hit up the t-shirt section. We got this Deja Mood t-shirt, which is going with the Highland cow on it. Highland cows are always cute and popular. This one's going for about $15 to $20. Then we found this Aliens t-shirt. So the Aliens t-shirt with the Xenomorph face, I have seen between 20 and 30. So we're going to see what we can do with that. We also got these Smurf pants. The only reason I picked them up is because they were new with tag. They're going for about $20 to $25. And then these are the two that my girls found. This first one, she just walks around because she loves tigers. It was $2.49. And I was like, you know what? Let's grab it. It's not Blue Mountain because Blue Mountain usually has the tag on the body. And I thought still it was kind of a cool shirt. It seemed kind of old. What I failed to realize there, and I discovered when I got back, when I went to take photos of this, I noticed, oh, look at that. We always try to take pictures of the sleeve. And this is a single stitch t-shirt. And single stitch t-shirts mean old. They stopped doing it in the late 80s, early 90s. So it's definitely an old t-shirt. And then when I went and looked at the tag, I almost passed out because it's a Screen Stars. It is a vintage Screen Stars shirt. Now, if you don't know Screen Stars is this brand that they made a lot of graphic t-shirts in the 70s, 80s, and 90s, and they are highly sought after by t-shirt collectors because they're considered one of the top brands. This shirt is going to go between $50 and $100, but if you find graphic shirts like a band t-shirt or something like an older graphic shirt that has like a pop culture reference to it, Spider-Man, anything like that, it could go for in the thousands, like thousands of dollars. But we're super happy with this one going between 50 and 100. And then, thank goodness, my daughter had to use the restroom because otherwise we would not have traveled all the way across. And while we were waiting, my youngest found this piece of luggage. Now this piece of luggage, it looks just like a Donald Duck piece of luggage. But, however, if you open it up and look right here, you're going to see the Disney Holy Grail. So this says Disney Parks. So Disney Parks, those items you can only buy in the park itself. You can't buy it at the Disney store. You can't buy it online. You can buy it at the park. So this is a piece of luggage that was bought. Now, brand new, right off the bat, it's going for about $220 to $280. This one, as you can see, it has some scrapes. It has a few nicks on it. So, but we're still asking for $140. And I think we'll get it. And I think we're going to get it quick. So, yeah. So just between the three items, the mask, the luggage and the tiger shirt, you're looking at close to $400 worth of product. The rest of this is just gravy. So all total, we're going to be looking at right around 500 bucks in profit. It's not bad when you have when your kids have a half day and you're looking for ways to spend time with them and work at the same time. Like I said, we didn't go to the thrift store for a long time. I didn't expect it going in. You cannot do that. You cannot expect it to be a super long thrift. You got to have some fun. And afterwards, we got out of there. We went and got some snacks and went home. They got to play with their friends. I got to make a little money, or we got to make a little money. And at the end of the day, we got to spend some good quality time together. And that's really what this is all about. That's what it is about, thrifting with your family. So yeah, please be sure to like and subscribe, follow our channel for more videos like this, and go ahead and hit that notification button. And we're going to let you know when we post the next video. And we'll see you next time. Thanks.